Next, we will review the project task lines. So under here, you're going to see we have our project task number. So you're going to assign each project task line with a specific task number. You'll give that task a description. And then you see here we have project task type. So we can describe the project task as a beginning total, a posting type, a heading type, total, beginning total, and end total. In this example here, you'll see we have this project built out within phases. So phase 1, I have specified a beginning total here. You'll see we have consulting and review and sign off here as both posting, meaning we will be able to post entries to these project planning lines. And then next we have our phase 1 total. So I've specified end total here to represent the ending total of phase 1. And then over here on the right, you'll see we have this totaling column where you can total those project task numbers here. Moving on here, you'll see we have a start date and an end date. Next, we have our budget. So this is going to be our total cost to which we have budgeted for. Next, we have the actual cost of what we have currently invoiced. And then we have billable, so what has been currently billed. And then what is currently invoiced for that specific project task line. If I go ahead and open the amount here under budget, you'll see it opens the project planning lines screen. So this is where we're going to identify the planning lines within that specific project task. So here you see we have that first task here, so consulting. And then line type, we have 3 options here. So we have budget, billable, both budget and billable. Budget we would typically use just to record that budget amount. So whatever amount we specify here will not be invoiced. Then billable, you'll see this, for example, in a project that is typically fixed fee. So we will not be budgeting that amount, but we will be invoicing the amount there. And then we have both budget and billable. So this can be used to track the budgeted cost versus the actual cost we have invoiced. Next, we have planning date and then planned delivery date. So when we are expected to complete this task. Next, we have a document number we can specify, and then we have a type. So we have the ability to choose from resource, item, GL account, or text. Resource can be, it can be a person or a machine or any of that sort. We can specify an item to which we are looking to purchase for that specific planning line. And then we have GL account where we can specify maybe, for example, an expense or a fee we're looking to record. And then we also have text. So this can just be, when specifying text, it can just be a line just to record a task there. In this example, I have resource selected, and then I have Catherine as my resource. So I have set her up as a person, which is she is being billed per hour. And I've specified quantity of 20, so she is expected to work 20 hours on this current project task here. You'll see we have quantity invoice, which is currently 0, since we have not invoiced this specific task line yet. And then we have unit cost, so her cost per hour here, and then that total amount of this current planning line here. And that is a bit of a review of the project planning lines.